Welcome to our Intro to Brand Analytics. Brands enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry enjoy access to a suite of additional selling benefits. One of those benefits is a group of reports called Brand Analytics. Brand Analytics reports provide aggregate product and customer information along with competitive insights. They can be used to better understand a brand's performance in the Amazon store and to make strategic, data-driven decisions about products and advertising. You can access Brand Analytics anytime if you're a seller internal to a brand enrolled in Brand Registry. Simply select Brands in the main menu in Seller Central, then click Brand Analytics. Or click All Brand Benefits, then locate the Brand Analytics card. For more information about accessing Brand Analytics and other brand registry tools, see our modules in Seller University about requesting or managing access to brand selling benefits. After accessing the Brand Analytics tool, you'll see a tab for each report across the top of the screen. Let's quickly review the metrics you'll find in each report and how they can help you enhance your brand's performance. You can use the Search Catalog Performance Report to understand how customers interact with your products after searching the Amazon store. The report lists your brand's products and pairs them with a sequence of metrics that represents customer activity throughout the shopping funnel. Those metrics include impressions, clicks, cart ads, and purchases. Along with other information in the report, these metrics can help you understand customer drop-off points for your products, and they can help you identify gaps in discoverability or sales conversion. You can use the Search Query Performance Report to see how customers search for your brand in the Amazon store. The report lists top customer queries associated with your brand's products. It pairs them with a sequence of metrics that includes query volume, impressions, clicks, cart ads, and purchases. Similar information can also be displayed for a single product using an ASIN view. Both views can help you understand how customers discover your products, or they can help you identify trends and opportunities to expand your product catalog. You can use the Repeat Purchase Behavior Report to understand how often customers buy your products more than once. The report lists each of your brands according to the total number of orders received. It pairs them with the amount in sales associated with repeat purchases, along with the number of units ordered and the number of repeat customers. You can find similar information at the product level using the ASIN view. Both views can help you better understand your brand's customer engagement, and they can help you assess satisfaction with your products. You can use the Demographics Report to get a breakdown of your brand's sales by customer age, income, education, gender, and marital status. The report divides each of these categories into segments, then lists the number of unique customers and the number of units ordered. This and other information in the report can help you better understand who's buying your products, and it can help you define advertising strategies. The Top Search Terms report provides brands with a broad view of customer search activity. Instead of focusing exclusively on your brand, like the Search Catalog Performance and Search Query Performance reports, the Top Search Terms report lists keywords that customers have used to find and purchase products across the Amazon store. It pairs each keyword with the 3 most clicked products, categories, and brands from customer searches. This and other information in the report can help you suggest updates to the keywords associated with your brand's product detail pages. Or it can help you identify purchasing trends and advertising opportunities. Finally, you can use the Market Basket Analysis Report to see other products that customers are buying when they purchase products that are part of your brand. The report lists your brand's products and pairs them with the 3 products that are most frequently purchased at the same time, whether they belong to your brand or a competitor. This and other information in the report can help you identify opportunities to bundle your brand's products. It can also help you assess cross-marketing opportunities. Each report in the Brand Analytics tool can be filtered using drop-down menus at the top or customized using specific column selections. For more information about how a specific metric is calculated, review our metrics glossary. You can also download a copy of any brand analytics report for your records or to perform additional calculations. This concludes our intro to brand analytics. If you'd like step-by-step instructions for using one or more of the reports we've reviewed, see our series of brand analytics modules in Seller University. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.